guys, good morning and welcome again to our channel. Today I'll be taking you on a ride through IMO State University. So stay tuned as we go through the ride. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much, and if you are yet to subscribe, please click the subscribe button. Alright, let's do a ride around IMSU. This is the Faculty of Education. Faculty of Biology, Department of Agricultural Economy, Department of Building, Department of Political Science, Sociology, Center for Public Study. Then they have Faculty of Engineering. Basically, this is all they have here. Okay, these are many gates that they normally use to enter the school. Then they have Department of Insurance. That is a serious something. And so far, so good. That is all about IMSU Owerri. Let's see how it progress. Yeah, Department of Fine Arts. They have quite a lot of departments in the school, but their structures are so old. Quite a lot of departments. Wow. It's alright, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. So this is all about IMSU. I hope when next I visit, I'll be able to get a tour guide from the school that will give us some specific information about the school. So, if you are yet to subscribe, please click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, so you'll be the first to know when we upload a new video. Thank you for staying tuned, and if you are a returning subscriber, we sincerely do appreciate you, and we celebrate you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Alright guys, bye.